One of our best sellers in London, one-bedroom apartment to rent Canary Wharf is located in the Tower Hamlets district of London, 6.1 kilometers from O2 Arena and 8 kilometers from Greenwich Park. Guests staying at this apartment can use the free Wi-Fi. This apartment comes with a seating area, a kitchen with an oven, and a satellite flat-screen TV. There's a bathroom with a bath, a shower and free toiletries. A bicycle rental service is available at the apartment. Greenwich is 8 kilometers from one-bedroom apartment to rent Canary Wharf. London City Airport is 6.4 kilometers from the property. Tower Hamlets is a great choice for travelers interested in riverside walks, bars and pubs. Do you like an offer? Please follow the link in description or on the video to view the details.